King Vidyadhar had a passion for gardening. His garden was filled with various colors of flowers, and he would sometimes water them himself. One day, a mischievous idea struck him.
Soldier, bring special mangoes from our gardens for the minister.
Okay, my king.
Saranga, taste them and tell me how they are. I have cultivated these mangoes myself. These mangoes must be sweet. Take some, Lalchand. What happened?
The mangoes are very sweet, my king, but I will wash them before eating so that they are not attacked by ants.
Why aren't you eating, Saranga? What happened, minister?
My king, these are raw and sour.
The king was pleased that Saranga did not falsely praise his mangoes, but spoke the truth. The king decided to seek out such honest people in Vijayanagar and reward them. But how?
Wow, minister. Please announce this in Vijayanagar.
Similar to the king, Mohan's son Raju also had a passion for gardening. He too had a small garden of flowers.
Listen, listen, listen! The king today is going to distribute seeds to the people of Vijayanagar. The one who grows the most beautiful plant from the seeds will be rewarded by the king. Listen, listen, listen!
I will nourish my plant not with water but with pure ghee. I'm sure that I'll grow the most beautiful plant with this. Money is honey. First, take the seeds from the king before dreaming.
The king distributed seeds among the people of his kingdom to find the most honest person among them. However, Raju had nothing to do with this. He was simply delighted to receive the seeds.
Baba, the king has given us seeds. Its flower will become so beautiful, won't it? My garden will become more beautiful.
10 days passed since the king distributed the seeds. But there hasn't been a sign of germination in anyone's pot. Not even a sprout.
Stop! What are you doing? How can a plant grow with ghee? Tell me.
So how will it grow? Money is honey. If the plant doesn't grow, how will I receive the reward?
Listen to me. Will you keep yourself immersed in the paper and pen? Look around and get up. There's no plant growing in the pot.
So should I pull up the plant from the soil with my hands? I have already given it fertilizer and water.
Everyone was worried about their plants. And there, Raju was also making a sincere effort.
Baba, by now, the plant was supposed to come out of the soil, right?
If the king has given it, then it must be a special seed, my son. Keep working hard.
Huh?
2 months had passed. Let's see how the preparations of the people of Vijayanagar were now.
Wow! Such a beautiful plant!
Wait, money is honey? Why are you pouring water on my dreams?
The plant wasn't real. It was made of clay. Uranka had crafted a fake plant in greed to receive a reward from the king.
Wow! This is as beautiful as my stories.
How can a plant grow when you were busy writing your stories? This is from our garden, not from the seeds the king gave. So that the king doesn't feel offended, thinking we disrespected the seeds he provided.
While some feared disrespect, others were enticed by rewards. And a plan to steal the plants was underway.
Wow, that is the most beautiful plant in Vijayanagar. Whoever has the beautiful plant gets the reward. If the plant is ours, then the reward is also ours.
Finally, the day arrived when everyone had to go before the king with their respective plants.
Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did my plant go?
Mister, you need to take the plant with you. What are you doing here?
Everything is ruined. Neither the pot is here, nor the plant. Honey is honey.
Even Raju was supposed to be among them, but he was at his home.
What will I say to the king if I take this empty pot to him?
Tell him that you worked very hard, but the plant didn't grow.
Wow. Amazing. Beautiful. Wow. It's beautiful. Really beautiful.
Wait, give me my plant! Money is honey. This is my plant, my king.
He is lying, my king. This is our plant.
Minister.
My king, I feel like watering such a beautiful plant. What do you say?
This is not my plant, my king.
This is not our plant, but his, my king.
Where is your plant, son?
The plant didn't grow, my king. I changed the soil and also gave manure, but
There is a plant, my child.
plant? But where?
You are the flower of the seed of truth. That I sowed, you are the most honest person among all the people of my kingdom.
The minister had turned stones into seeds to test the honesty of the people of Vijayanagar. Some had brought plants fearing disrespect, while others had done it for rewards to please the king. Only Raju hadn't lied. So he received the reward for being truthful.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.